Hello friends, welcome to TechnoBoost. In previous videos, we have seen Sketch module and also seen some basic exercise for Sketch. From this video, we will start part modeling. Let's start. This is a 3D toolbar panel. In part modeling, we will see extrude, revolve, sweep, simple lob, coil, rib, and modify toolbar panel. All 3D model commands need one basic sketch. Sketch is in a 2 dimension and these 3D model commands give third dimension to sketch. In this video, we will see extrude. Whenever you click on extrude, it will give you one message: select plane to create sketch or an existing sketch to edit. It will ask you to select plane to create sketch, or if you have a sketch, directly you can select it. Let's select front plane and draw one rectangle. Let's give some dimensions. Suppose this is 500 and this is 250. Click on finish sketch. Give some thickness. Suppose this is 20 mm. You can directly write here or here, or drag this arrow. Okay, let's see 20 mm. You can click here, apply, recenter or OK. You can see how to drag this and how to rotate or zoom in, zoom out. Refer video number 2. Okay, this is isometric view or home view. Here you can see now it's our third dimension. Now it's in 3D. This is model browser. You can see all the history of the model. This is extrusion 1. To edit it, select it, then right click, then edit feature. If you want to change the thickness, you can write here, suppose 50, then OK. You can also change its direction, flip. You can see now it's in reverse, front, reverse. If you want it start from middle plane and give thickness to both sides, then you can select symmetric. You can see, then click OK. If you want to edit sketch, then click on plus, then select sketch, right click and edit sketch, and you can change the dimensions. Suppose this is 400, this is 200. Then click on finish sketch. You can see its length and width change. Now you can also create sketch on face. Select face and you can see edit extrude, edit sketch, share sketch, make sketch visible and create sketch. Click on create sketch and let's draw one circle. Having diameter 75. Click on finish sketch then go to extrude. Here you can see this is join, means it will be extruded. Okay, this is cut, extrude cut. To cut the part. Okay, reverse the direction, click OK. You can see let's edit it. Right click, edit feature. Here you can give dimensions. Okay, or you can select through all to make a throughout cut, then click OK. Let's make one complicated sketch. To delete it, select it, right click and delete. It will ask you consume sketch and feature, do you want to delete it? If you want, then select it and OK. Sketch will be deleted. Let's create one sketch. Okay, let's give some dimensions. Suppose this is 10, this is also 10, and this is 30. Okay, and this is 10, and height 50, and this is also 10. Okay, you can click on finish sketch or directly go to 3D model and select extrude, make it symmetric and give thickness of 100 mm. Okay, let's select this face and create sketch. Draw one circle having diameter 20. Let's fix it. This is 50 and this is 25. Sorry, 25. Okay, 3D model, extrude, extrude cut. You can see if I select through all, it will cut up to last. You can see edit feature. If you enter only 25, so let's make it 50, only 40, 45. Click OK. You can see it cut this first face, then some part of this second face. Okay, edit feature. If you want this cut up to this face only, then select 2, then select required face, click OK. You can see cut is up to this face only, selected face. Right click, edit feature. This is to next. It means it will start from sketch plane and cut it up to next surface, and here next surface is this one, so it will cut up to this one. Click OK. To edit the feature, you can directly double click on it. Suppose if you want to and select this face, click OK. It will cut up to this face. Let's see extrude in more detail. Double click on extrude 3. Here is one more option, asymmetric. Means it will give in both the direction different dimensions. Suppose in distance A is 200 mm and distance B is 100 mm. You can see this is 200 and this is 100. Click OK. And in symmetric, both sides have same dimensions. This is direction 1, direction 2, symmetric and asymmetric. Okay, let's delete these two. Click OK. Create sketch, select plane, having dimensions 25 and this is 50. Click on finish sketch, 3D model, extrude, and here you can see taper A. Means it will give angle to direction. Here you can see throughout it's have a same cross section, but now it will have some angle. Suppose this is 5 degree, you can see, and if you want to reverse the direction, click on flip. Okay, click OK. You can see double click on it and reverse the direction. Okay, practice it. In next video we will see some exercise on extrude command. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, share it and like it. Thank you.